Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Tej and the girl.
Tita.
And in today's video, we're gonna set up the Christmas tree and we're gonna show in the whole video like how we bring the Christmas tree because it was so heavy and we have to bring it through the lift and then setting it up with lights. And hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button and like button. Stay safe.
Guys, the reason why we're setting up our Christmas tree so late is because the Christmas tree is really big and very heavy. And I'm gonna put a little clip that we made while we were bringing the Christmas tree up so that you guys can see the reason why we're setting it up so late. But anyway, let's not do too much talking. Let's get to work, baby, because this Christmas tree gotta go up. And right now we have some of the, I didn't know which color I wanted to do this here, but we're gonna do this color. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but hopefully I really like this color. He also fell in love with it. He also liked it. So we're gonna be using this color this year. And for little highlights, this is the first Christmas tree that we're gonna put up together.
Yeah.
We've been together for 4 years, guys, but
we never put the Christmas tree together because we don't used to live together earlier, but now we live together, so it's our first time we're putting the Christmas tree together. So
I'm so happy and excited.
I'm excited as well.
Our first Christmas tree and so much more to come, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Guys, we decided that we're gonna set it up outside, so we're gonna set up the Christmas tree in that corner, and I feel like I think here is a perfect spot.
Yeah.
Let's do this, baby. Oh, I think this part. This guy first. It's going.
So heavy. That means we're gonna do half Christmas tree. Can you open it?
No.
I move up. I try to open this. I will fix it.
I did. Okay, we can move this.
Christmas tree is very big.
Okay, we can either go bring a knife to this.
How are you gonna put it on top? Hey.
So we're gonna tie it. Is this things, little things, right? We have to put the ornaments. So first lights, or until May. That's when I took that Christmas tree. Because we want to see.
Wait this.
Can you put this one down? We're just trying to use it wisely.
Okay.
Not too high. Pull it. Okay, that's fine. Now, with the remaining that we have.
Good. Huh?
Guys, now we're putting the ornaments on the Christmas tree.
Ayo.
What do you guys think so far? We already put the star and we're just putting some ornaments. We ended up putting this white light strips right here, which kind of make it look ugly, but I don't care because the Christmas tree, like I said earlier in the video, it burns out because I took it down in March, since December to March, so it kind of burns out. So I don't want to spend any more money buying lights, so we ended up putting this. So we're gonna put this guy right here, it's so nice, and then this big one right here. I have to make the outro. Outro. We can do it in the GoPro. Anyway, guys, as you can see by looking at my hair, you probably think it's been rough. Yes, a little bit, but it's worth it because behind us is our Christmas tree. Our first Christmas tree ever, guys. Like, let me show you guys. My baby is standing right there. Can you see it, baby?
Yeah.
We did that. We did that. Come on, guys. We didn't have the time to wrap the presents yet, but anyway, it's beautiful.
And guys, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe, so that you are a motivation to us. You are motivating us to do the more and more things. You are giving us so much love to us, and stay tuned for more videos.
And guys, thank you so much for watching.
Teja and
Merry
Peter,
Christmas.
love you. And Merry Christmas to all, and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
And see you in the next video soon. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Especially go to the firecracker show to bring the firecrackers for Christmas for my baby.
Okay. And the vlog today, who do we have?
What's your name?
Introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Arnaud Singh.
Arnaud Singh.
Arnaud Singh. And then, who do we have here today?
Prabjot, Yar's
Prabjot.
cousin.
And Muhammad.
My son.
Shut up. Guys, we're going to shoot some fireworks. I want to sing this. And look at them over here. Oh. What do you guys want to do now? Let me hide so that if they catch you guys, so that I can run. Say hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Muhammad.
Mohammed.
Yep.
Sure.
No.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You go on too.
It's not turning on.
Let me bring the other lighter. Wait. Do like this. Try both. It will work. Slow down.
Because it's windy.
No, sit on that side. You will. Okay. No. Okay. Let me do it together. Okay. Hold it. And do this one.
Yep.
Come on this side.
Very nice.
What if they got you, huh?
I'll run.
The
Man.
camera is on face. I mean, camera is on your face.
ओए ਉਹਦੇ ਲਾਗੇ ਖੜ ਨਾ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਜਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕੰਬ ਗਿਆ ਇੱਥੇ
Oh my god.
Why are you shaking your butt dude ਦੋਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਇਆ ਐਵੇਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਲਾ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਨਾ
Umiliya.
Oh, this is so cute.
That's it.
फटके दीवा तू फटके दीवा तू
More?
चल यार फटो
They not.
बात हो गई ना रखी
This is. Oh my god, look
That
at
was
all
good.
the smoke. More?
साले थाड़ी बड़ी कहने नहीं बाहर होना छेती का
Guys, it is finally Christmas. We want to wish you all a happy, very
Merry Christmas.
to you all. So in this video, guys, you guys gonna see the part where we put up our Christmas tree, in the part where, like today, we're celebrating Christmas. It is December 25.
Yeah.
So Merry Christmas to you all. It is currently
You're on a camera that you're firing crackers.
midnight.
You're on a camera.
What do you mean? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video.
Don't forget to click on the like button. Guys, our target for this video is 500 likes. If you can do 500 likes to this video, then a big video gonna come. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Guys, this is we take like 4 days long to make this video. Don't let this flop. Right, Ita? It was a hard work.
Anyway, guys, I'll show you guys our Christmas tree. So if you can see our tree, we try our best, guys. And these gifts right here are like my siblings. But let us know in the comment section, what do you think about the Christmas tree, the decoration. Like, we didn't do that much, but then I feel like it's good. It looks good. What do you think?
It looks very good.
What do you think? Merry Christmas, guys.